Hey guys, I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and I'm painting my ceiling fan. Aha! And this clip right here is what I already have painted, and then this one right here is what I'm about to paint. And yeah, my bad for the bad lighting. Got some technical difficulties, but it's all good. I'm out of breath. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got today. This is also a little haul, not much, but I got 2 new paints. This is what color is this? A Sun-Kissed Peach and Laguna. I hope I said that right. Yes. I also got a few new paintbrushes that I'm going to take really good care of. I got this set at Walmart, link below. Oh, that was Brianna. Anyways, and I also got these little spatula things to mix the paint, so that helps a lot. And yeah, so I guess I'll show you what I have now. So here's one that I'm working on. Obviously I'm gonna make it a little better. My bad for the constant angle change. I kind of blinked out, my bad. Anyways, so I don't know, I don't really have I want to show you guys as I draw, but I don't really have that overhead type thing, so I'll just draw and show you my progress. Bro, okay, let the drawing begin. I'll have some little music on overhead, so I'm already giving up. I haven't even started anything for the time I've been sitting here, but let me show you guys. So this is the angle we're gonna go for. Let me show you how I'm trying to do. Okay, so I'm trying to do the shadows that you see here, but that means that I'd have to draw another koi fish, and I'm not that artistic to be doing all that detail. So I could try and challenge myself, but okay, I'll add details or shadowing another time. Right now, not really much has changed, except I'm gonna try and add bubbles around them, and then I'm gonna fix this flower because that's ugly, and I'm gonna fix this area too. So I'm honestly thinking, what if I put creativity in here? What do you mean by that? What do I mean by that? I meant, let me show an example. So I'm trying to do lily pads, have those cute flowers on there. Let me turn up the brightness. So I hope this doesn't get copyrighted. Let me turn it down again. Alright, that's better. So as you can see, there's these flowers, and they're very hard to draw. And let me tell y'all, I'm still a beginner when it comes to drawing. I'm just good at looking at the picture and that stuff. Not all that. Anyways, so I'm thinking about getting flowers or little petals and building up on it. So it's kind of 3D. BRB. Okay, I'm back. So as you can see, these are all fake flowers and stuff like that. I can cut these up and then put it on top of the lily pad maybe paint it a different color, or even these little white ones, something like that. Finish this tonight. I'm so nervous, bro. So here's the thing. I've been overthinking this whole time, and I think I finally figured out what I'm gonna do. I'm going to make this 3D. Oh wow. 3D. D. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna darken the fish, for now, and then, what's it called? Improvise the rest of the way. So it's time we paint. So the only troubles with these paints is that they dry really fast, and once you apply more paint to it, it tends to peel as you're putting it on, but it looks more of like an ocean color. So I think I'm just gonna stick with the greens and light blues. I don't know if you guys can see, but like right here I added the cool blue and it looks like really dark. So I'm just gonna use the greens for now. Artists who trust themselves, what's it called, would probably go over their fish, but I'm going over the small detail because I don't trust myself. Okay, well, I'll come back when I'm almost done, so see you guys. Hey guys. So the progress, you know, I'm more than like halfway. Like I'm basically almost done. It's just, let me show y'all. Now, I don't know if this looks cute, like the streaks, but this wasn't what I was going for. Like, really was not. But I think it's mainly because these are paintbrushes I've never used before. So that could be it. But, you know, I'm just adding a second coat right now. And trying to make all the strokes go in the same direction if possible. Ah! So, with what I have, it looks a bit off, but, you know, it really can't be helped. This is just like a practicing thing. It's going to be on top of my fan anyway, so now we're going to paint the fishies and then add the details on top after. Hey guys, I forgot to record my progress, but I wouldn't say I'm almost done, but I'm in the process of, this is what I have so far. I think it's coming in good. Just gotta add a bit more color, but I may continue this tomorrow because I'm tired. But yeah, hope you like it. Bye.
They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't want to see your face, you better disappear. The fire in their eyes and their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. Ooh.